Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to update or change billing info in Instagram Ads Manager. So if you have added your card or maybe your billing address, now you want to change it. So I'll show you the easiest way to do it. First, you have to just simply make sure that you have opened the Meta Business Suite and your Instagram Ads account is also connected with it. Once everything is fine, then what you have to do is you have to go to the Ads Manager. So to go to the Ads Manager on this page, on the left side, you can see we have different options. From there, you have to simply go to this option where you can just simply find your Ads Manager. Once you get there, it will first just take a while to load, and after that, you have to click on this payment method option. Then what you have to do here is that you have to simply add your card. If you have already added, then you will see the card up there, but you can also change it. So the process is same. You have to select the country, your currency, and after that you have to select this payment method. You may have different options based on which region you live in, and after that you have to add your card details. First you have to add the name, and after that you have to add the card number. Once you add the card number, then you also have to add the expiration date of the card, and along with that you have to add the CVV, which is the code of every card. You just have to simply add all these details up there and then simply save it. And whenever you do any other campaign, the money will be deducted from this debit or credit card. So that's it. That's how you can update or change billing info in Instagram Ads Manager. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment, and if you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.